Gusii.
Magoro benki ya yerit Korea Jumanne tariki 10 cy'umutenyo 10 umwaka wa 2023 ekerobono amanga bereka gokorekana imeyense ya Kenya nerit Korea rero ekiremero berio au yaba kego cengerwa imeyense ya Kenya naboigo ase ense enkima mwanchi murigere ringwege narit Korea ori abere ritoero kigima nanene kwa bere go kwego kya asoko bwatia emeroberio onse yegetoseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii yaragirense mo yabona magoro bachinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia erionko manyebuna nara yaya kubwatirana nabasaki baito twakwariganirie omugoroborero asenchira ere yobwikiranu nyirabuna sensemo ya Facebook nabakogendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter nabagotitwetera @Ndizi TV News hero togendere gusanga naboigo kwemanya manke kurenderi tanganike igimati gatoranyore gatiari nkwariganiretie asenchira ere yobwinge
Kogera chigamenti chichitu chiroro chire chiaba Gusii mugotige binde bigosarika ingi tutagochakira because this is a challenge ingi tojaga no sukuru chito na nabantu baitu na bagosomaga
chiserekari chech county kobori gwagosegeta nabo igokogendereria egekora ekero ria rerit korio gochengerege koro imeyense.
I want an explanation who has failed to provide that money. There's so much that is being stolen left right.
Omogavana rati kogendererio muroberio bwo koronge ya magendero imeye county ya Kisii.
Tigatwerende kurwase obobe bole motwe boyetera aso okoigore metaro wetera asokolenda poligereringa kitogo tukute ubi
abamenyi be county ya Kisii kobori wawetanga korwa sama be ayo akagere koretwa nembura ya El Nino matuko makari busyo Eyemo naenda manke umwanchi umurigere ringo kwarigani eriombe kingo kumanya asenchera ere yowekiranu ryo kwenekya chipicha neryo gicha wekere nigakoro kwa Petra Mukeira asense mu imanyerero ningoto kubwatirana nere Joshua Auta ere triane Everline Osero sanga na intwegoika omwerio toko ya chakabene akero abantu baboriwe kwenekya bunanko basokya bare abamwabo kero kende bali ababwate umuchando bwobongo nakobayira ase chinyagitari wo sasa bamanyi eryo koringori wana nyora obokonyi aya nigakwanwa nababwatani au abube sokiari tkoria rero na gotara imwe mu cyobusongo bunenchira yemo yogo chengerari tkorio bochenu bobongo ekerabagenderete gosemia abantu amanke igoro yobochenu bobongo muri keito diponasanya nigatwariganiriti amanke
No health without mental health.
Maiga yelitukeli gochengerwa enswengi mago chia sabantu bali nemechando ao yobongo. Enyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital bakubwatirana na Kisii University nenyagitari ya Oasis Specialist nababwatani bandabange nigo banyara kokoritaro yabo yabene imeyo mu cyubusongo elyo gochengera nagosemia abamenyi be county yeye bakorawa nabateneneri bo sector yobochenu imeye county ya Kisii.
Very successful. I think we have to wait upon the mental health. That's what we are doing.
World Mental Health Day has been set up aside by World Health Organization internationally for watu wote to celebrate mental health, their own mental health na pia sana sana pia kucelebrate wale watu ambao wanaathirika na magonjwa ya mental illness.
Boigo mbanyara koherera gati emechando koinekigwa asa abantu bali no mochando ase obongo.
Nyora ngabari chibalimo bagutara chipara nabutoko danga bwatu buriri bwobongo na abandi baroko nyora batayite kwengenta nono kwengenta bado obno burwire tali ngaga gwancha boko romo tatayite kwengenta litukulitangani ngomanya ngotu adiro bokombu bwobongo
abantu balimo korra bayengentire atara ikirasa kwengenta onyorere nga oro kiribi manyerugete ebisini mune appetite como bora kitoro como bora usakurara mono aromaro surioka umuntu gatware chingu cyo kore gasi ya ebia banyora nga tatagitimanga na gasi ale gabutwa igwete siekerere rumu erebieka taiti kuchangamka na abantu bande.
Mtu ambaye tabia yake sio nzuri aieleweki, wakati mwingi ni mtu ambaye akona ugonjwa wa akili, kwamba akili ndio ina control kila kitu. Akili ndio inakuambia ni asubuhi amka, akili inakuambia ni wakati wa kukula, akili inakuambia sasa andika vizuri. Wakati akili imegonjeka hauwezi kufanya vitu kama hivyo.
Omurere bwo bongo taringa no libyo kuria masakupara goso kuria masabo yemesi goso rusiti chianga goso na wekwana kwa
nigo bari okuburia gochia ase bari akerokende babwata bamwabo bari no muchando bwo bongo banyare kubasoikia na kubaleta ase tinyegitari eli banyare konyora okugweniwa.
Elezea watu ambao wako nyumbani na wako kwenye community wasiwe wanawafungia watu ambao wako na mashida ya mental illness.
Nyora ngabari chibalimo bagutara chipara nabutoko danga bwatu buriri bwobongo na abandi baroko nyora batayite kwengenta nono kwengenta bado obno burwire tali ngaga gwancha
obwanchani ngati yekerenga ekenenekera oyomo awenerete korokia gochia asa abantu babwatu muchando onga bunoywe.
Na jambo lingine ningependa kuwahimiza watu ambao wako manyumbani na kule community, wale ambao wako na wagonjwa hapa ward 10 wasiwaache kukaa ward 10 na kuwatupilia mbali wakati wamewaleta watibiwe. Wanatibiwa kama ugonjwa mwingine, kama ni saratani wangetibiwa, wanapona, wanarudi nyumbani. Kama ni malaria wangekuwa wametibiwa, watu wao wanakuja wanawachukua. Vile vile mtu akigonjeka ugonjwa wa akili, wakati wanamleta hapa hospitalini wasimtenge, wabando hapa kwa ward.
Chinga kichicho boigombairera nga omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nikagenderete kwana na emirobiri emiya goche chinsemo au eliokoenekia nga abamenyi be county eywe banyoriro bokoryo bya bwa magenderero
gendekende ngo basaba abantu baminto twarabomo tokolega siamo omugabana ito Kisii county nali tayari nabwate mepange emiya asoko kora ebinte binge bitwa promised ngaki riro nkarama campaign
Ginko ripota liga taseni kia Ndizi TV koruase county ya Kisii elietalia nendi pon asanya
Muyamono murikeito dipona sanya se orobot yorurikiranu nechinga kiri twerigaria genderete gochengerwa nigo bari bare no borema na barabo batatigiri magega ase aba omugoko monene gochia se eskuru ya Kisii Vocational Rehabilitation Center iyo yabage kugokera amaigiro na boigo obosemia ububanyora kurwase ekyombe kemo kimanyikante na Forever Africa Power Dada abo boigo baba kubwatoka obokonyi bwebintu au gati yabo ebitamba byobochenu chitishu cyanga chingena boigo endagira nanya nabonigo omu manager abwe kyumbekyo abagakuru okuburya gucyasa bayibori ari nabo bwate abana bale no barema kubasokya ero babe bagoswase skureyo babe bakonyora obosemya gusechisemi cyo kubakonya asama tukaribusyo muri keito Josephat Amisi norwati uraso wikiranu
Echinga ki Ensa kimenyane ko bagi gochengera litukolyo kwenana obasemya no bumanyi igoro y'uburire bwabongo nigo abantu bali bamenyete amono bolema batanyara ko baba gotigwa isiko chinga kiboigo banyara ko bakwenanwa obasemya igore chinchira babweneta ko baba gwesemya na boigo gwesira asobogima bwabo bwakira lituko.
Kisii Vocational Rehabilitation Center is a vocational institution for the physically challenged group of people. A group of people who are on wheelchair, they are on crutches, or they are walking in a way that's not on the normal way they are walking.
Tumekuja hapa to celebrate World Mental Health Day, and the theme for the World Mental Health Day is about human is a universal right. So when you think about people with disabilities, it is one area that the government has really neglected.
rituko ria rero nigo esukuru eriokwena na amaigerio gochiase abantu bamenyete amono bolema ya Kisii Vocational Rehabilitation Center yanyora abageni kurwase kiombe kia Forever Africa Power Dada ikenyera kwa bege goikirana na kwena na obasemia na boigo obokonyi bwebinto ebyo bire amaganyo yabanabwo.
And the little students, they have done well to come and support them, especially girl child, the sanitary parts, and also the physically challenged group of people. Some got these problems through accidents, and or we call there's a group there's a problem called fistula for the elderly group of people. So having the diapers for the elderly group elderly group of people is very much appropriate. It will help them in their hygiene and also the sanitary parts. Thanks very much, and also we have the tissues and the rest. Thanks very much for the support, and also majorly coming to interact with the students and having a talk with them and telling them how outward the world is and encouraging them to face the world and the face situation in the country and also the job market is very much appropriate.
Share life experiences, give them a little bit of encouragement, understand some of the challenges they go through, and basically just to assist them get through this particular day.
Kukwana kurwa sukuru iyo nigo omumaneja we sukuru Joseph Ondeki atebire abana babwate amagani gati yabo chinyomba chake barachitaisaini nabigo egeti yokogosoreria.
Especially where the need is first of all the sanitation. We need proper toilet for the institutions. Yes, we have which is available, but we need to expand that because our level, our playing field need to be levelized. Physically disabled do not need to play in a rugged area. Second reason why integrating them is for support, because always the assistance is not always enough, especially the support staff is not enough by the government. So these able-bodied group of people are helping them.
Niko bono ababwatani aube kiombegia Forever Africa Power Dada banyareko bakuburia serikali county ya Kisii nabo yokubatira na mone serikali nene kweneke banyareko bakoleta abokonyi boisaine gocha sukuru iyo nagosira abana bagenderete amone chisemi cyabo asabayigo omumanejo yo anyareko bagakuburia abana bonsi bali bamenyete amono bali banyareko bagwesokia eli banyareko bakonyora amaigerio ayakwenenwa sukuru iyo.
One institution that has been left out, and we are appealing so much for any well-wishers out there, kindly come and help our people. They need our support.
We have this sweater here that has been knitted by one of them, all right? You see it's a very good product, very good quality. If this can find its way to the market, and then those funds can be used to improve their lives, then that would be a good thing. That is where we require assistance as well. It's just not about people to now. They have talents that need to be tamed and help them make and earn a living.
And our fees is always affordable.
Kuripoti rigataseni kia Ndizi TV kuri kaunti ya Kisii literane Josephat Hamisi.
Niamano murikeito Josephat Hamisi ase oroboti uru togotikana nayo nigo Ensa metenerete imibaskano imeye county ya Kisii korawa no mokonyi bumo county commissioner sesemo ya Kisii Central Wilberforce Kilonzo ritkoria lero batwara umurobero bogosemya banto igoro yembura ya El Nino eyo kagere guchakase amatkabwango iga nigo baruo kuboria gochiase abantu koba maiso anako babwa goseko bwatia aliaganeire aso wetanga kurwase amabe ayara bega koretwa nembure yo murikeito ndemo Stephen Noroboturo
magega yaba manyibense amerire kwene kiobuna embure nyingi ya El Nino nenyare ko bakegotwa chinsemo ao ime ya Kenya nige byombe ao biraso mostari obosyo gosemya abantu igoro yo gwetanga nemechandera ache El Nino ime ya Kisii account ego chana kembure nyingi niyo gati abwatani korwa seka mate korwa neme basokano gekora uno mokonyi bumo county commissioner korwa Kisii Central Wilberforce Kilonzo bara itaroko semia asobo gatagati gwa bosongo.
Kamati hii inaleta pamoja wafanyikazi wa serikali ya kitaifa na serikali ya county, wafanyibiashara, viongozi wa dini na hata viongozi wa tabaka zingine zote zile, kuweka mawazo yetu pamoja na mashirika yasiyo ya kiserikali kuona vile tunaweza tukasaidiana kwa jambo hili. Kwa leo shirika lisilo la serikali ambalo tuko nalo ni shirika la St. John's Ambulance. ambao kwa leo wameweza kumobilize volunteers wale wanashiriki na wao kutoka Kisii University na Kisii National Polytechnic. Tukapata wanafunzi ambao wanatusaidia kwa kazi ya leo ambayo ni ya kusafisha bus park yetu ya Kisii main bus park.
Si kawaida serikali kuu ijumuike na watu wa matatu, lakini siku ya leo nimeona watu wa matatu wamefurahia sana kwa vile serikali kuu imewakumbuka. Washikadau mbalimbali kutoka chuo kikuu cha Kenya Kisii Polytechnic, chuo kikuu cha Kisii University na wengine kutoka mashirika mbalimbali wamejumuika na sisi ili kujipanga, ili kuelimisha, kuhamasisha wananchi ya kwamba kuna mvua inaokuja mbele yetu na sio mvua ya kawaida, mvua ya masika.
Koreng'ana ne kamati yeye nigo yaganiria abantu bonsi kweroberia kiboikirano bosi bwembura ya El Nino na gwetanga kurwa sembe basokano na asara erarentwe n'embura eyo.
Tiga twerende kurwase obobe bole motwe wetera aso okoigore metaro wetera aso kolenda koligereria ng'a kitogo tukute ubi omaeta mache ke torarute ubi ase metaro esieka mache asa gweta iyo tokonyora oburwaire.
Prevention is better than cure. Kwa hivyo tukisuia michi yetu, tutoe uchafu, tusuie mosquito kwa chiri mvua itakuwa nyingi, malaria itakuwa kuanguka rahisi. Vitu kama hivyo, manyumba zenye zimeonyesha zinaenda kuporomoka, mtu ahame, usikatae mpaka uongoche mwisho. Ukiamrishwa na disaster team ya kwamba bali unahisi ni kubaya, unahisi kwa mto, sasa hama, tafadhali mheshimu maagizo yenye mnaambiwa.
Kamati yenegendere no botukibwa ime igoro ekerengo gyo kwariganya gie county ya Kisii asera asange na serikali ebirengero igoro yakeriera akore gwetere miroberi bene korenda amagima y'abantu nenibo gutasaliwa gwetere El Nino.
Abantu baminto engakie yenenke tigatogenderera ko kubwatere kubweka maroro yokororanga ebitango byakinire ebitango byaitu byo gutanga amabe aliakorwase amang'ana yembura eyere motwe akeire
kuripoteria Ndizi TV kurwa somo chobosongo ilietariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbia mono Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti uru n'umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigagenderete n'umurobero bwo kwenekia obokorero buyabwa abere bukuriyo gucyase abamenyi be county ya Kisii aratiri tkorya rero nigakore taro ya mubosokano ucyase kinsemo au ekyo ase kigari kikoroserwa akorigereria eryo korigereria kigari nene kigari cye county ekyo cyabere kikobaroro asege kawetanie myaka 5 kitanya korosiwa nigaganirie bari abaterere umurobero korosia kigari kwena na oroboti oroikiranu na seki kigari ekyo kyaberere asege kegetambe ase kinseme cyo muri Keito Brighton Makori na Mangi.
Ekero achoretwe kuba umugabano kabere bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigarete ira yogo kigokoro bokurumi nobokabara ase county ya Kisii.
Abantu baminto gokora turegazi mpaka marayika lego abo
Aburitko ligoro mugabana nigachete wikase kinsemo yekigari kikoroserwa asomo cyobosongo asinsemo awao anekrari kurigeri kigari cye serikali ye county cyaberoro aseka wikabono kitararosiwa
kayole gare gitora kayole
ngokwana
kigari ye county toileta no nyara gotorosel
tawazinde
kayole bon
ngokwana mnegala Mheshimiwa Ngaki.
Alvin, how are you? Nengi mbiole.
Akumuga manya kuligir tugoto kabona ye ada musani anakuye kambura tebosonga bomanya.
Bona endugu. ndoje olieta magoro ye jigali ga county kayole nara liole
actually ngale workshop ya Nairobi ntugata na workshop Nairobi
igali ngakita bwati amagoro ndikuwa liete
bona ga ali yo problem erone ye amagoro amagoro amanyene ye gali yo babo mbaka na zero authorized jidra banjiri chaga chama mara ntubwa tesu ya yokogoro mutogochi usio koma baira
uyu no rumugano genderete anene ekero mugabana wanyarite kagwa kesi migo cyase bari bakoro sigari ejo asiarokanite buna gati yabakore mirimo be serikali ye county ya Kisii bamyete engane yubuna kigari cyabere kikomenya asigara cyase matuko amange
actually urudi gata no komo okwe gari yo torrete ensa batia magorande Mbaka knows where they are.
Okay.
Now when I go to Java and Baja boy, and I just want there's no way now I'm going to
Egali, I will get for how long?
It is almost 5 years.
5 years? Me trying to give what?
Is it there? Is it there? I've got the Galia. And the Galia didn't go on your rose until the Waka and these other pending bills. In fact, none of what the voice can abinja.
Ninki gose ababisa bargo kwana.
Your Excellency, we went around to all those machines. Even that one we passed through that machine on that Friday. We finished very late, and when the guy talked to his people, they told him that we can see you the following day on Saturday. And then on Saturday, Your Excellency, I tried to book an appointment, but I didn't get one.
Can you look for him? Because I'm told that gentleman is around. Today, I want to get a feedback on these other many things.
Voigo mugabana chetebosio na kuboli abo bisabanyar ba kurikora boti na kwera ninge bamanyete igoro yengana eyo.
I want an explanation who has failed to provide that money. There's so much that is being stolen left right.
I'll give you a report.
Leo nataka nipate report ya hii. Sitaki kusikia story nyingine. Hata miguu naona hii kitu imeisha.
Voigo asensema ijibara na nyarithika kuboli.
Talk to Engineer Yaro, get reports. Listen, today I want to know what is the status report of that road and the payment. Na sitaki kuulizwa hiyo pesa again.
Ayangati yari mugabana borusimbara tegende kwa ase county ya Kisii anena so ikiranie ira yaye yokurwani obokurumi ase county ya Kisii. Gulipotere seni Candice TV redariane Brighton Makori.
Mbia mono morikeito Brighton Makori ase oroboti ururikiranu mwancho muriyere wekiraga igano ntaite mturera mayensa ya masenchira ire yobwekiranu korende na manke nkwarganireti ya indora konyora sobwekiranu chikoraga chinsaisato agati yabo igoro yemerobero yogo chengerari tukori yegekoro murobiro korekana ase chinsemo anene korwa se county ya Nyamira kiraba menyibe county ya Nyamira ababorire serikali ye county kwene kebunango sirere egekoro abayigo umuyego monene ni gobago gokorekana ase ensemo ya Bomas of Kenya ime yomochi o Nairobi bayigonto chikorigereria igoro yemeroberio ya mariganyo bosio bwa matemwa manene yo mwako yega wono mancho muri to basa uskare gendra kubwate miroberio ya Ndizi TV ase ensemo ya Facebook otonyorwetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyorwetra Ndizi TV News bayigaso mutandao Twitter na bo twitwetra @Ndizi TV News hero togendre gusanga na boigo kwemanya manke Petro Mukeira nero ne kyachipicha nerio gicha wekeire asensemo yimanyerero twabwatrana nere Joshua Auta eretriane Everline Osero twaruburigeri burobya.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.